Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a pretty charged topic, the state of democracy in India under the BJP. Buckle up because it's a complex ride. So the 2024 Indian elections resulted in quite a shakeup. The ruling BJP party, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, faced a setback. They now need a coalition to stay in power. This marks a significant shift, as BJP's stronghold is slipping. Despite the drop in seats, BJP isn't out of the game. They still hold a lot of power, especially in state assemblies and the Rajya Sabha. Modi's popularity is crucial here. It's like a balancing act between his charisma and the opposition's ability to stand united. But why did BJP's majority shrink? Well, Indian voters are signaling they want a stronger opposition. Issues like unemployment, inflation, and social justice are at the forefront. These economic and social concerns are driving people to rethink their support. Now let's talk about the challenges to Indian democracy. Critics argue that under Modi, there's been a decline in democratic principles. They accuse his government of undermining the judiciary, suppressing dissent, and exerting control over educational institutions. Modi's journey is fascinating. From his early days in the RSS to becoming Gujarat's chief minister and then prime minister, his direct engagement with the public and strategic use of media has been key to his rise. But this increased influence of Hindu nationalist activists is raising eyebrows. Moreover, there's concern about the consolidation of power. Modi's government, backed by powerful business leaders, is seen as manipulating regulatory bodies and amassing financial resources. This centralization raises questions about the long-term health of India's democracy. In summary, India is at a crossroads. The reduced majority for BJP and the return to coalition politics suggest a shift in voter sentiment. How India navigates these political waters will shape its democratic future. That's all for today. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into global issues. Thanks for watching.